Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with this is actually a swap share. So I signed up to be in the PHA crafters the Facebook group, and they hosted a swap. I think it was hosted by Christine, and the swap is for Christian's Book of Love. So she had done the bookcase around Christmas time, and everybody wanted to swap the little books. And so I signed up for that swap. And initially, our group, I think, said that we wanted to do 3 books each. And then we changed it. And so now it's only 2 books each. So I had 3 partners. And I did my video already, so I will share that after, like maybe tomorrow after this video goes up. But anyway, I finally got in all of the packages, and I'm finally having time to go through it, so I'm super excited to see what everybody came up with. So my swap partners were Shanita, I think her name is Gemma, but she on Facebook she has a different name, and then Lisa, who is Mariposa here on YouTube. So I will, whatever social medias they have, I will try to link it below so you can go see and check out their channel and support them as well. So before we actually started to make our stuff, we kind of were trying to figure out like if we wanted to do a theme, or if there was any guidelines or anything like that. And we just came up with crafter's choice. So it was just up to you what you wanted to create, and what you wanted to send to the other individuals, as long as it was 2 of the books. So it's interesting because then you get to see everybody else's personality and what they did to for their project. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna open is from Shanita, and I don't think she has a YouTube channel, but she has an Instagram, so I will link her Instagram account below. Oh my gosh, and she sent extra goodies. Look at that. Ooh, I love me some bling. Thank you for that. And then she has a little tag here. You know, I think I've used that collection too. I think this is the Paige Evans, I want to say Bloom Street or something like that. Oh, okay, wait, I'm gonna read it. Spring inspired. Yeah, Bloom Street. I think I used some of Bloom Street too. Okay. Okay, let's see what she came out with. So these are the books that she sent. I think the Bloom Street that I used was more as some of the embellishments that I made. So I don't think it'll be exactly like. Look how cute. Look how cute. I think she did the same thing as me. I had to put the elastic on it too. Oh, look how cute that is. She has the ladybug. Oh, I love that. Ooh, let's see what she got here. Oh my gosh, look. She has those little vials. Oh my god, look how cute that butterfly sequence is. And then some confetti. Oh, look at those. That's cool. And some seed beads. Oh, thank you so much. I love everything, and I will totally use that. Okay. At least I cut open the envelopes before. Sometimes I don't always even do that. I'm like not prepared. Okay, so here's her other book. Okay. Let's see. Cute, yeah. The strawberries. That's okay. I love this heart paper too. I was like, nope, I gotta just use it. Don't hurt it anymore. So I'm trying to be good. Okay. Got it open. Ooh, what is this? It looks like erasers. Oh yeah, let's take a look. So I'm like trying to like not buy erasers, you guys. So I appreciate any erasers people give me, because I'm like, okay, I can't get into like another thing. So, oh my gosh, she sent me the boom box. That's so cool. And the rainbows. Oh, these are so cute. They're so cute. Thank you so much, Shanita. I love it. That was fun, because then you get to do just a small swap with somebody and you get to know them a little bit better. So I think that it was a good idea to have that swap. Okay, so this one is from, I think her name is Gemma, but she goes by a different name on Facebook. So I kept calling her the wrong name, I think, on my video, but sorry about that. Okay, so Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, sorry, I wanted to read the note. So look, she made me a button. That is so cool. Crafty Hoot. Okay, I need to go look for you because I didn't know that you had like a YouTube or anything. So I will link her down below in this video. Crafty Hoot. I've heard that before. Okay. Oh, she gave extra stuff too. This is like origami paper. Look how cute. It has the macarons on it. And it has all these other... This must be... Oh yeah, it's from Daiso. So cute. Okay, and then... Oh, look, she sent me... Oh my god, that's so cool. She sent me Hawaii stickers. Oh my god, that's so neat. That's where I live, on the Big Island. Oh, thank you. I love it. That's so cool. Okay, so here's her first book of love. And this is what... Looks like she put some die cuts inside. Oh, yes. I love me some coffee die cuts. Take a look. Oh, look how cute. Oh, she gave me two. They're so cute. And then she has the little coffee sayings to go on it. That's so cute. Oh, thank you. I love it when people give me die cuts because then I don't have to do it myself. And then here's another one. Oh, and she gave me some flowers. I love it. I love flowers, you guys. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. This is so fun. Just take these little goodies here and there. Okay, and then the last one is like this huge, like, holographic envelope, which is awesome. And look at the shred inside. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, so here is, I don't know what this is. And, oh my gosh. So this is from Lisa. I think that's how you say her name. And I think she is Mariposa here on YouTube. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Oh, okay. I have all this, like, goodies now. Save all of that shred. Okay, let's see. I should open this first, because this might be, like, the card. So look how cute. And it has, like, a, I think it's a heart rosette with a doily. And this huge, envelope. I don't want to break it. Okay. Oh my, look at all this extra stuff. What is this? It looks like a stencil. Self-adhesive, what? Self-adhesive stencils. Oh, this must be from Dollar Tree. I've never seen anybody even mention this. And I haven't been watching a lot of hauls, but oh, that's really cute. I love animals. And she gave me a beer doodle pop. And some roses. These are rolled roses. Oh, thank you so much. That's super cool. I'll have to give that a try. Okay. And she has a little card here. Oh, look, she has the little doodle bug guy. Oh, look at that. So cute. I love the little chocolate chips. Oh, yes, it does bring a smile to my face. And then I know you guys are all getting this chunky, like, chenille kind of yarn. I think is it from Dollar Tree? Sorry, we don't have Dollar Tree here, so I don't know where everything is from. I love this box. It's like acetate. And then in here has oh, it's like a flamingo stirrer. And here's the tag along with a tassel. And let's open this up. Oh gosh, look at all the shred. You know I'm gonna keep this, right? And there's more shred and more confetti. Oh my god. Okay, look how pretty this tissue is too. Look at that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look how cute. I think this is that magical birthday one with the unicorn. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Prance like no one is watching. Look how cute that unicorn is. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Wait, I gotta open this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. She made us little charms. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, look how many she made. And I love this paper. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm gonna hoard that for a little while. I want to use it. And this one is really heavy. Oh, look at that unicorn. It's so cute. Super cute. Okay, let's see. This looks like beads. Oh my. Oh, and it's more more erasers. Yay. Because I didn't. I'm trying. Like I said, I'm trying not to buy those. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And some pearls. And she even made the little containers. I didn't do that. I was gonna do that, and then I decided that it wouldn't fit. Whatever I was giving them wouldn't fit in that. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much for all the goodies. It was so fun to swap with new people that I've never swapped with before. So thank you all for participating. And I'm gonna post what I made for all of them in another video. So be on the lookout for that. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.